I'm Samo. I'm a PhD candidate in organizational psychology at Bowling Green State University, and I did some research with a professor in the organizational psych program looking at the differences between human and AI-generated artwork. For the longest time, AI was always thought to be going to replace automatable technologies like line work, anything that's very repetitive, very non-original, something that you're doing over and over again, very iterative. And then all of a sudden, generative AI technologies came out that replace human artwork and come up with paintings, images, music, prose, text, poetry that was supposed to be indistinguishable from humans. Before we did this research, some of the research that was out there about AI artwork showed that people have a bias against artificial intelligence. When they know that it's an AI or a computer involved in making the artwork, they're going to like it less before they even see the artwork. They're not going to like what they're seeing if they know that it's AI generated. And the interesting part is that it's a human-made piece of art, but they think that the AI, or they're told that an AI made it or a computer made it, they're going to like it less than if they think it's just a human original piece. And so we wanted to avoid that bias in the first place. We showed people the artwork without saying whether it was made by humans or AI, or even introducing the concept of AI artwork. So we showed them the images online and we asked them to rate how they felt about them on these aesthetic emotions using a psychometric survey. We also found that people had a preference for the human images over the AI images, but when we asked them to actually identify which was made by which and introduce the idea that some of this art could be made by AI, and they actually didn't really know which image was made by which kind of tells you that even though they're having these strong emotional responses and they were liking the human images better, they actually weren't able to identify kind of more intellectually which image was which. And so there's a lot of exciting new research for future researchers to kind of dive in and start exploring the psychological impact of artificial intelligence.